Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to private the Snapchat account. So to do that, let's head over to the Snapchat application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the DM section. And once you are there, just head over to the Bitmoji in the top left corner. And then in here, go to the settings icon on the top right. Now here, scroll down. And here you'll find the options of privacy control. So go to contact me. Now select it to friends. Click on OK. Go back. Now go to view my story. Now check mark it to friends only. Now see me in find friends. Don't check mark it, uncheck it. And yeah, this is how easy it is to make your Snapchat account private. Like other Android applications, the Snapchat don't have any one-click option to make your account private. You have to do several things one by one to make it private. So yeah, this is how easily you can do it. Hope this video helped you out, and we will see you in the next video.